Welcome to this comprehensive guide on log analysis for incident investigation. In this series, we'll explore how to use system logs and application logs as forensic evidence to understand what went wrong during an incident. Logs are time-stamped records that tell the story of your systems. By learning to read and analyze them effectively, you'll become skilled at finding the root cause of problems and tracking their impact across your infrastructure. Logs are time-stamped records of events, errors, and activities generated by applications and systems. Think of them as a detailed journal that your systems keep automatically. Every action, every error, and every important event gets recorded with the exact time it occurred. This chronological nature makes logs invaluable as forensic evidence. When an incident happens, you can trace back through the logs to see exactly what happened, in what order, and when. Logs capture both application-level events, like business logic changes, and operating system-level activities, like service restarts. There are several important types of logs you'll encounter. System logs come from the operating system itself and include kernel messages and service startup events. Application logs are created by your software and contain application-specific errors and business logic events. Access logs track incoming requests to web servers and API endpoints, recording HTTP response codes and details about each request. Security logs record authentication attempts, access violations, and failed login attempts. Understanding which log to check for different types of problems is crucial for efficient investigation. Knowing where logs are stored is essential. On Linux and Unix systems, most system logs are found in the /var/log directory. Web servers like Apache and Nginx store their access and error logs in /var/log Apache2 or /var/log Nginx. Applications typically store logs in their own directories, often under /var/log or /opt/app/logs. Docker containers store logs in /var/lib/docker/containers. The exact location varies by software, but understanding these common paths will help you locate logs quickly during an investigation. Logs follow predictable formats that contain key information. A typical log entry includes a timestamp showing when the event occurred, which is critical for creating a timeline. The hostname identifies which system generated the log, important in multi-server environments. The process or service name tells you which component created the entry. Finally, the message contains the actual details about what happened. For example, a system log might show the date, time, server name, the sudo command, a user identifier, and the specific command that was executed. Learning to parse these components helps you extract meaningful information quickly. To find relevant information in large log files, you need search techniques. The grep command searches for specific keywords or patterns, allowing you to find all occurrences of an error message across a log file. Timestamp filtering isolates logs from a specific time period, helping you focus on the incident window. The tail command shows the most recent log entries, while head shows the oldest. These tools can be combined using piping to create powerful filters. For instance, you can search for error messages and then pipe the results to grep again for a specific keyword, narrowing down to exactly what you need. Experienced investigators look for patterns. Repeated errors appearing multiple times often indicate a systematic issue rather than a one-time glitch. Error cascades occur when one error triggers subsequent failures in dependent systems. Specific error codes provide clues about the type of problem. When error frequency suddenly spikes, that spike usually marks the beginning of an incident. Behavioral patterns matter too. Unusual delays or response times might indicate performance degradation. Unexpected spikes in CPU, memory, or input-output usage can signal resource exhaustion. These patterns help you understand not just what failed, but why it failed and how widespread the impact was. A systematic approach improves investigation efficiency. First, establish a timeline by identifying when the incident occurred. Look for timestamp clusters in the logs to mark the affected time window. Second, identify the root cause by searching for the initial error or failure event. Trace backward from the symptoms to find where the problem started. Third, track the impact chain to see what other systems were affected by the root cause. Follow the cascading effects through the logs to understand the full scope. Finally, document your findings by extracting relevant log lines and creating a detailed incident timeline. This documentation becomes crucial for fixing the problem and preventing recurrence. Modern log analysis has moved beyond command line tools. The ELK stack, which stands for Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, provides centralized log aggregation with real-time search and visualization capabilities. Splunk is an enterprise platform that adds machine learning for anomaly detection and includes a powerful querying language. Grafana Loki offers a cost-effective alternative for log management and integrates well with Prometheus monitoring. CloudWatch is Amazon Web Services' native log management service that seamlessly integrates with AWS infrastructure. These tools help you search terabytes of logs, correlate events across services, and spot patterns that would be impossible to find manually. For large-scale systems, investing in one of these platforms is often essential. Remember these core principles as you develop your log analysis skills. Logs are forensic evidence. Every incident leaves traces in logs, and systematic analysis reveals both the root cause and the impact chain. Know your log sources. Understanding where system, application, access, and security logs live is foundational to quick investigation. Master command line tools. Grep, tail, head, and piping are incredibly powerful when combined strategically. Develop pattern recognition skills. Identifying error patterns, cascades, and behavioral anomalies significantly accelerates incident resolution. Use aggregation tools. Modern platforms centralize logs and enable advanced analysis at scale. Effective log analysis combines technical skill with investigative thinking. Practice these techniques, and you'll become proficient at troubleshooting production incidents.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.